Alright, this is a video for 1HT about chapter 9, exercise 57 and 59. With exercise 57 you need to translate these things from, for example, liters to cubic decimeters. In the schedule over here you can see how that goes. Every step in the right direction, so in this direction, you do times 1000. Every step in the left to the left side you do divided by 1000, except for over here. A cubic decimeter is the same as a liter. And a cubic centimeter is the same as a milliliter. So every step in between, from liter to deciliter to centiliter to milliliter, so these small squares over here, every time is times 10 or divided by 10. So for example, if we want to go from 5 liters to 5 cubic decimeters, let's take a look over here. Well, you can see that liter and decimeter are the same. So 5 liters is also 5 cubic decimeter. Then the next one goes from liters to centiliters. So liter is over here, and then centiliters is 2 steps further, so that's times 10, so that's times 100. So then we get 200 centiliter. Here we're going to go from centimeters to milliliters, so that is also the same, because you can see that there goes a line straight up, and nothing changes. So 10 cubic centimeters is 10 milliliters. And then here we need to say how many centiliters 0.7 liters is. So we go from liters to centiliters. That's 2 steps, so times 100. So we get 70 over here. Now 57 has a couple more questions. Here we go from liters to cubic centimeters. So let's see how that goes. If you go from liters, you need to go to cubic centimeters. So we can go one row up, nothing changes, and then times 1000. So we have to do that times 1000, so you get 700. Here we have 1.5 liters, and we want to know how many cubic centimeters that is. So that's the same, right? But then also times 1000, so here we get 1500. Here's the other way around. Here we go from cubic centimeters to liters, so that's divided by 1000. And here we go from cubic decimeters to deciliters. So let's see how we do that. We go from cubic decimeter, so here, to that. So we go down and nothing changes, and then times 10. So we have to do times 10. So this is 25.5 deciliters. So that's how exercise 57 works. And I'm going to talk about exercise 59. It says a swimming pool is 9 meters long. Let me show you the question. A swimming pool is 9 meters long, 4 meters wide and 1 meter deep. The swimming pool is being filled. Water runs from the tap at 25 liters per minute. How many hours does it take to fill up the swimming pool? So first we need to know the volume of the swimming pool. So the volume is the length, which is 9, times the width, times the height. So 4 times 9 times 1. 4 times 9 times 1 is 36 cubic meters. This is meters because in the question they also say meters. But I want to know how many decimeters this is, because decimeters is the same as liters, right? If you go from cubic meters to cubic decimeters, that's one step, so that's times 1000. So this is 36,000 cubic decimeters, which is 36,000 liters.